Okay, y'all, so on today's episode, I won an NYX mailer right here, and we're about to see what they sent me. So this was actually a really cute surprise because I entered and I ended up winning an NYX mailer. They're so cute. It says, no follower minimums, just pure talent. Welcome to the NYX Cosmetics family. When I tell you I was so excited to get this package, I was like, okay, NYX. Let me open it with the scissor. I haven't opened everything yet, so we're gonna do this together because I want you guys to see my actual first reactions. Oh, it's a note. It's so cute. It says, hey bestie, we're so excited to gift you a few of our current fave products. We are so incredibly grateful for your support, and we can't wait to hear your thoughts. Make sure you tag us and NYX Cosmetics and hashtag us so we can continue to stay in touch. Thank you for being a part of the NYX Cosmetics family. With love from Los Angeles, NYX. So cute. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh, so I actually have this on right now. Such a pretty color. So I bought this before I even opened this mailer. This is their Lid Lingerie Metallic Eye Pigment. So it's just like a very sheer glitter Barbie pink. Like if you're into that pink blush and pink, obviously me with the nails and the pink makeup, this is your best friend because it's sheer, so it's buildable, and just like the little shimmers are so cute because they're not like overwhelming. They're just like the right amount of touch. Okay, so let me tell you the color of this one. This is the one I'm actually wearing. So it's called Push Up Pink, and I have it on my lids right now. Now, another lid lingerie, and this one is matte. So this first one is metallic, and then this one is a matte, and it's called Beige Appeal. This one I'm excited for. Another one in a metallic in satin silver. Ooh, brow glue. I needed this. So this is a brow styler. So it's basically brow gel, and I've heard so many good things about it. I heard that once you like set your brows with this, they are staying for very, very long. So I'm excited to see this and experiment with this and try it on. What else we got here? This looks like a lip pencil, is it? Yep, a lip pencil in hot red. So this is cute for winter, you know, when everybody starts doing red lips. I'm excited for that too. Ooh, there. This is a lipstick. Okay, so it says Fat Matte Smooth Color Lipstick in Cashmere Cutie. So I'm loving this because it's giving a little nude moment. I'm excited for this one because it's giving this lip combo, which I'm absolutely loving. And by the way, the lip combo is also NYX. Let me tell you how this lip combo, I'm so in love with it. So what is this? This is another lip pencil in coffee. Okay, I like this. I love me a nude and brown color lips because it's just like this. Because the lip combos never fail when you have like a brown or a nude. Okay, what else? We have Lip IV Hydrating Gloss Serum. Ooh, okay, so it's like a purple. I wonder if it's like very sheer or very pigmented. I hope it's sheer because it's a lip serum. That's what it says, gloss serum. I'm excited for that. Love me a good lip gloss. What is this? It says Vivid Rich Mechanical Liner. So this is in Always Onyx. This is a eyeliner. So always need a good black eyeliner and a brown one. Brown always makes like the eyes look so soft. Let's see, Vivid Rich and Sapphire Bling. So I don't even know what color this is, but it's giving like a little blue. So it might be like this dark shade of blue. Ooh, okay, so now we have Emeralds Empire. This I'm excited for because green eyeliner. It's a very fun color. And then we have Vivid Rich and Spicy Pearl. This one's gonna be part of my empties real soon. I already know. And then we have Lit Lingerie in Metallic Granite Grinds. This one is giving grunge. So when I get in my little grunge phases, because I like to go and be in between both, I'll do like a grunge look and then be this like little Barbie pink girly vibe as well. So when I'm in my grunge looks, I'm gonna use this. But that one looks like it's gonna be a beautiful color. Then we have another Vivid Rich in this beautiful Aquamarine Dream. This is very pretty. I don't really use those type of colors, but I'm excited to experiment and try new looks. Oh, we got the fat oil. I heard so many good things about this too. Fat oil. So this comes in Sugar Baddie. Love it. Love the name. Love the concept. What else? Okay, so we have another Lip IV Hydrating Serum. I don't know where it's. Oh, okay. So the color is Burst That Thing. This is like a cute little orange color. Let me see what the other one was. This one was Mauve and Moist. Okay. Mauve and Moist. We gotta try these. And then last but not least, oh, I know what this is. This is blush. I just bought one of these. Hold on. So this blush is the Buttermelt blush in my Butter Half. I'm wearing this blush right now. Super cute. 10 out of 10. The pigment, the way it just sits on the face, the pinkness. It's just, if you're a super girly pink vibe, this is your blush right here, because I'm so like happy with the way it came out. Okay, y'all, so I definitely have some favorites, which would be the blush, the lid lingerie that I'm already wearing. Both of these I'm wearing. And then obviously my lip combo 8, because it's giving. It's just is. I honestly think this is such a cute mailer, and I'm really happy I got the opportunity to receive the mailer. Now I need to know what you guys want me to test next, because there's definitely some products in here that deserve their own video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. We have a lot more beauty, travel, and lifestyle content coming up.